Let's make a giant air fryer chocolate chip cookie, y'all. This cookie is crunchy on the outside, tender and cakey on the inside, and so easy to make in your air fryer. You're gonna love it. Let's cook. Start by mixing your dry ingredients in a bowl. In a separate bowl, cream together brown sugar, white sugar, vegan butter, and vanilla extract. Mix and mash those together, then add aquafaba, which is just the liquid from a can of beans, and whisk that together until you have an even mixture. It's okay if it looks a little bit curdly at this point. Add the aquafaba mixture to your dry ingredients along with vegan chocolate chips, mixing well until you have a cohesive ball of dough. If you need to, you can add a few little splashes of water to get the dough to stick together. Transfer the ball of dough to a small piece of parchment paper, then lay another piece of parchment paper on top and use your hands to flatten it out until it's about a 1/4 inch thick. Now use your fingers to shape the cookie into a nice circle. This dough isn't going to spread very much during baking, so it's important that you shape it beforehand. Transfer the cookie to your air fryer basket and air fry until it's golden brown. Let it cool right in the basket and you are ready to eat. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make this chocolate chip cookie in your air fryer. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!